Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Enriched. Today I have with me these makeup remover wipes from the brand Faces Canada. But before getting into the product details, I would ask you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and also like this video. Hitting the bell icon is very important so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's talk about this now. So these are 30 makeup remover wipes from the brand Faces Canada, and Faces Canada is quite a well-known brand. They have foundations, they have lipsticks, they have serum foundations. Currently also I have used Faces Canada lipstick. This is a red in color. I don't remember the shade, but I'll write it down somewhere. But this is a beautiful shade, very creamy, matte and very comfortable to wear. So it's a very nice product. Coming back to this product. This says fresh, clean, glow, and these 30 wipes retail for 299 rupees. 300 rupees. These are one-time use, which I don't think I have to say it out loud. These are one-time use wipes. I'll be removing my makeup from one side of my face and I'll show you how good this is. And also this is alcohol free, and the products of Faces brand are alcohol free, they are paraben free, they are cruelty free. So this is a very good brand to invest your money. This says this is for all skin types. This has aloe vera and chamomile extract. This hydrates and adds an instant glow to your skin. And also this says this will remove waterproof makeup. My eyeliner is waterproof, so we'll check that. This claims to remove your makeup very easily, and also there won't be any irritation or redness after cleaning your face. I believe that using makeup removing wipes are way more convenient than carrying a makeup remover and cotton pads. Especially if you're traveling somewhere and if you have applied a lot of makeup, then I think you should carry makeup removing wipes with you, because it's easy. Just remove it and just throw it, and do not flush it, throw it in the dustbin, dispose it properly. So I think this is way more convenient. So the method of application is almost the same. You just have to take out a wipe and rub it on your face to remove makeup. And this says, and I'll repeat myself, this says this will remove stubborn, waterproof eyeliners and also, which is very good. We'll see that. And this also says that you have to use this as a sheet mask. I mean, you can also use it as a sheet mask. Just apply it on your face and let it sit on your face for a few minutes, and let the moisture soak into your skin. Let it loosen the makeup a little bit, and then wipe off gently. Let's try that, and let's do that now. Today my makeup is also looking a little flawless, so I just don't feel like removing it, but we have to test this. So let's see. Let's open this. Okay, so upon removing this sticker, this is what we get. So this is a resealable packet. You have to open it from here. I had reviewed a Color Bar makeup removing wipes, and that was a long time ago, and that also had the same kind of mechanism, I would say. So okay, so upon opening, this is how you will get the wipes. All right, so let's just see. This is the size of the wipe. Okay, so I'll just put it on my face for like few minutes. Okay, so let's try to remove makeup with this. So let's just see how good this is. Okay, so I'll be removing makeup from this side of my face. So let's see. All right. Yeah, this does remove the makeup. So let's see how this is with the eyeliner. Yes, this has removed the eyeliner, if you can see. Yeah. Okay. See, the lipstick also went away in one swipe. Okay. This was the makeup on one side of my face, and as you can see, this has clearly removed the makeup. The lighting can be a little low today because it's very cloudy outside, and I mostly use natural light to shoot my videos. I don't use tube light or any other light, so lighting can be a little low. So this has removed makeup from one side of my face, and lipstick has been removed. So this is very good, no irritation, nothing. It feels very nice and cool, which I really like. Yeah, I think this is a very good product. There is no irritation, no redness or nothing on my face, if you can see. So I think this is a very good product, and and this is very convenient for use, and I think definitely you should give this a try. I'll put the link in the description box in case you want to purchase this. It'll be easier for you to find it. So after taking out the wipe, make sure you close it so that the wipes don't dry out, because these kind of wipes, they dry out very soon if left unattended, or if they are if you don't close them properly, these wipes can dry out. So make sure you close the lid. And yeah, so yeah, this is very good. Do give this a try. I'll remove rest of my makeup now. Okay, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.